I went to go hop in this car so I can go to a tire shop so they can take these wheel locks off, because when I bought the car, the guy didn't have the lock. So I was gonna go to a tire shop and I opened the door and something's missing. What is it, you might ask? Maybe a driver's seat. So I completely forgot that I took the driver's seat out of this car like last week, because not even last week, a few days ago, because I sold that driver's seat. You guys are probably wondering, why the hell would you sell your driver's seat? Now you don't have a seat to drive on. I do. I have the driver's seat from the white 240 that I'm gonna be throwing in that one, and then the bucket seat that I had in the G, I'm gonna be throwing in here. So right now, I gotta clean up this mess. Not really clean up much, but move some stuff out the way so I could take this driver's seat out, put it in the red 240. And I'm not gonna put a driver's seat in here because this car isn't gonna be driving for like another month or so. So let's do this, and then we'll drive around to a few tire shops. We'll see if hopefully a tire shop can get that wheel lock off. And then once that's off, we'll come back here. We'll be replacing the wheel bearing on the 240, and we'll be putting some coilovers on it. Seat is in, guys. Super quick, super easy, just like any other seats. 4 bolts and that's it. So I did trade him, well, not trade him, but I did sell him the one that was in this car that was in better condition because it didn't have this rip right here. But I wasn't really tripping. Sold it to a local guy right here, cool dude. And I am gonna get bucket seats for this car anyway, so I was like, I don't really care. They ain't gonna be in here for long. So yeah, I wasn't really tripping off this one having that rip and selling the one that was in better condition. Now I'm just gonna grab the keys and we're gonna run around to some tire shops. Hopefully we find a shop that has the correct lock, because this one is not like one of those like universal ones, like the spline ones. This is like one of the like dealer locks that are hella hard to find. So hopefully some shop has them. Woo! Had to go to 3 tire shops in order to get one tire shop to get it off, but they got it. This shop right here, they were able to get it off for me. They did charge me $40, which sucks. Shouldn't charge me to take off a wheel lock. It took you like 5 minutes to do 4 of them. $40 for 5 minutes. But anyways, yeah, at least we got them off, guys. And I just put on some Mutekis on there. But yeah, now we are literally down the street from Aaron's shop, and I think Aaron is at the shop right now. So I'm gonna just drive by there, just say what's up to the homie Aaron, and show you guys around his shop real quick. You guys haven't seen it in a long time. I don't think you guys have seen his shop on my page. We'll just stop right there, say what's up to him if he's there, and keep going on with our day. Barely pulling up, and I already see Mike's Z up on the lift. What are they doing to that? Where's Aaron? He's gonna be like, who the hell is this pulling up? Look at him. Look at him over there. Look at him. What's up, bro? Doing good. I just came to say what's up.
Oh yeah. Eating lunch. So.
On your lunch break?
Sorry for eating on camera.
You're all good.
You want to bite?
Hell no, man. I'm good. What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Say hi. I haven't seen you in a while.
Hi.
I haven't seen the shop. Dude, this is the first time I'm at the shop on my YouTube.
Oh yeah.
And they haven't seen this baby in a while.
Man, it's dirty, gross.
You can't talk about dirty until you see that.
Hey, you know what? How many problems does yours have running right now?
A couple.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh yeah, never mind. I think it's the first time I've ever seen it move.
Really?
Yeah.
It might be the first time you see it.
Because you got it.
Since I got it, yeah.
Yeah.
I was only driving it because I went to the tire shop because they had wheel locks on it, and the guy didn't have the lock. And it was like the dealership type locks.
Did it break them off?
No, he had this tool that just zapped them off. So
Not bad.
was able to get those off, and now I just picked up some coilovers yesterday. So
This is the drift one, yeah?
no.
Oh, this is the daily.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the daily.
Yeah.
Bro, you and your 240s.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Well, this is kind of like the hangout area. When me and Mike got the shop, it was like one of the things that I was like, cool, we can definitely open this up, expand, have like a media room, have some stuff in here. So got a little baby television because you, Mike, most of my friends do vlog stuff. So we're going to be able to have like a little vlog station. I'm going to put like something in that corner, a couch, something. But then we're also going to get a big couch. And you see, like here, bring the camera over here. Yeah, we got to give the full effect. So you can see, like if you plop your ass down right here, you're playing video games, doing stuff like that. You can talk, interact, do stuff on the shop, with the shop, and that. So I'm going to get a couch here. We have the refrigerator right there behind you. We're going to put a big like 70-inch TV here.
Oh, hell yeah.
I don't know, have, you know.
It's gonna be the chill spot.
Yeah, chill spot, man. We're gonna put a railing across here so y'all don't fall
So nobody falls off.
Yeah.
Nobody gets drunk up here and falls off.
Right, but then definitely put some speakers in here and just, it's gonna be a kicking
A little
spot.
surround system.
Yeah. I want the shop to be like, I don't want it to be just like a money maker. I want it to be where people can come hang out,
have a good time,
have a good time,
yeah,
play video games, interact with people.
Hell yeah.
Below us, we're gonna have like a merch room, so we'll be able to sell merchandise and do stuff like that, man. It's just gonna be a cool hangout. So
what's the official name? Is it Crooked Crown Motorsports?
You know what? There really isn't. I mean, we just go by. I mean, I have my Crooked Crown brand that I do stuff, and then Mike has his brand, and so this is kind of just our shop. It's Aaron and Mike's shop.
Aaron and Mike's shop. Hell yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, it's just here to fucking build shit. Cool
Hell
shit.
yeah.
So that's what we're doing.
So this shop will be like officially underway. The grand opening will officially be in probably what, like a month?
Yeah, I'd say a month.
Yeah.
This was the main thing to finish. I bought some like merch cabinets for downstairs, so I just.
Oh, you got some?
Yeah. So
Hell
I know,
yeah.
right? I'm stoked.
Hell
So
yeah.
now I just need to finish the flooring and do a couple things downstairs, but it's gonna be pretty easy.
Hell yeah.
And then everything. We're not gonna do the floors and stuff in here. I mean, it's a shop.
It's
and you can see by the motor right over there. Do you see how disgusting it is?
Yeah.
So if I painted this, I'm just gonna trash it.
Exactly.
So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna get that lift that I got outside moved into here, and then it'll be fully functioning.
Hell yeah. So
yeah.
stay tuned, guys, for the Aaron and Mike's shop grand opening.
Yeah, we're about to have a grand opening, like
grand opening meet.
Yep, meat,
Hell yeah.
barbecue, that type of
Hell
stuff.
yeah.
So it's gonna be fat.
And you're gonna be able to use the whole parking lot back there, the entire thing.
Yeah, I talked to the owner of the place here. We might even be able to use the front part. So
Sick.
It's gonna get stacked.
Cause yeah, I know you guys are gonna fill it up.
Yeah, it's gonna
easily
get filled up. So it'll
Easily.
be cool. It'll be a fun time.
Yeah, that's gonna be super exciting. I'm gonna be here like all the time. I told my girl if I leave and I don't come back for a few days,
Here it is.
don't be worried. I'll be right here.
Yeah.
I'll be
At least you
chilling
know where
right
to get a
here.
hold of you.
Right, she'll know where to come to find me. Back at home now, guys. It was dope. You and my homie Aaron a visit. Haven't seen him in a while, and you guys got to see his shop, which I'm super excited for the grand opening of that. You know, I'll be there at the grand opening meet. Now we get to start working on this. We're gonna head and get the car jacked up, get those front wheels off. Well, I did get these 2 new wheel hubs from one of my homies because one of the hubs on that car is very bad. So he did a 5-low conversion and gave me his old hubs. These should be all right. Wheel bearings on here should be all right. So we're gonna swap those. We're gonna start to change the coilovers out. Hopefully we get done with it today. I only have about 2 hours until I have some other things to do, so we'll see how that goes. Wheel off, and wow, coilovers on this car are extremely easy. 2 bolts right here, the 3 up top, and that's about it. Nissan in the 80s and 90s, wow, y'all was doing y'all thing. And passenger is side, front is done. So this probably took like 10 minutes. Really, guys, this was super quick, super easy. I want to put the wheel down to see how much lower it got because I didn't adjust them. I just left them right where they were. I don't want it crazy low for now. So I'm just gonna throw this wheel back on just to get a visual of how much lower it is. All right, so that's where it's at right now, which is quite a big difference from that. I'm not sure how soft these are, so I'm not sure how much more it's gonna compress once I drop the car down, but assuming it'll probably go down to like here, which is pretty okay for me. Now that the fronts are done, guys, we can go ahead and knock out the rears, and then we'll get into the most important part, which is that wheel bearing on that side. We'll replace that hub, get the coilover swapped on that side, and she'll be all good to go. Wow, my hands are dirty. Ooh. Bodie gang. There we go. And now we can reach him. Alright guys, my camera had died, but I already got this coilover in, got it mounted at the top. Now I just gotta mount the bottom piece, and that just goes through that stud right there. Kind of a weird looking stud, but anyways, we put that in just like that, and then you just put this big old washer in, put the nut in, and you're good to go. And boom, that's done, guys. Got it mounted at the bottom, mounted through the top. Boom. And now the passenger side is completely done. So I'm gonna head and zap that wheel on, this wheel on, and drop the car, and we'll see how it looks at this height. Oh yes, that looks a lot better. So it's really not really low at all, but it is a huge difference compared to this side. This side gap was pretty bad, pretty freaking bad, but now on the coils it actually looks a lot better. Got rid of a lot of the wheel gap, not all of it, but like I said, I could still drop the coilovers lower, but I think I'm gonna just leave them for now like this, and then later on I will lower it more and do more stuff. I just don't think it'll look crazy. I don't think it'll look really good being crazy low with like these wheels and just certain things. There's a lot I have to do to this car still, so I actually think this looks really good. So let's go ahead and do the other side and we'll be good. All right guys, just got done with the driver's side. I already showed you guys that side, so I don't need to show you twice, but let's go ahead and drop the car and we'll see how it looks. Oh, also, I was not able to replace the wheel bearing or the hub right here because the nut for the hub is like a 28 or 30 millimeter, I'm not sure, and the biggest one I had in my box was a 27. So wasn't able to do that, but let's just go ahead and drop the car right now and you guys can see the finished product. Hell yeah guys, looks so much freaking better. Like I said, it's not really low too much, but it's definitely lower than what it used to be, and it looks a lot better than how it used to look. So yes sirree, I will lower it more later on once I get some different wheels and stuff. But we went from having like four fingers of gap, now we have 2. So a lot better improvement right there. Looks a lot better. This wheel, does that wheel look like it have positive camber to you? Let's straighten out the wheel. Oh yeah, that definitely looks like it has like positive camber going on. That's not good. And the rears are definitely negative. Oh yeah. Well, this is at fully positive camber. So let's go ahead and adjust that real quick and we'll see how it looks afterwards. All right. Went from full positive down to full negative, or as negative as it goes. Clearly it's not much negativeness, if you may. So yeah, that's actually even less negative camber than the rear. Not sure if you'll be able to tell in the video, but yeah, there's less negative camber up front than the rear, even though this is maxed out fullest to the negative. But that's all right because we don't need a whole bunch of negative camber right now. We just want it to look better, and it for sure looks a hell of a lot better than it used to. Gonna give you guys one more look around. Yes. I was not expecting to be lowering this car today or like anytime soon. So the plans for this car, as I have told you guys before, was to bag it. I was gonna get coilovers first. Really what I was gonna do is I was gonna get the coilovers that are on my VQ 240, put those coilovers here, and I was gonna get some better coilovers for that one. But I got a really good deal on these TNs. I didn't want to pass it up, so I was like, F it, I'm gonna just get these TNs and throw them on for now. Probably is gonna be temporary. Maybe I switch to a different coilover, or maybe from here I just go straight to bags. Who knows? I'm gonna drive this car around and see how the ride quality is, and then I will know from there exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't really drive the car too much, so I might just go from here straight to bags later on. But yeah, I'm gonna take it for a quick drive around the block just to see how it feels. Oh, I'm already scraping. I forgot I lowered it. Oh my god. This is already feeling so much better. the stock suspension on this car, the front struts were so bouncy. Like, it didn't even feel like a 240. It felt like I was riding an old school Cadillac. Front end was just bouncing up and down. Hella bad. This feels so much better, but I don't know if you could hear the humming coming from the wheel bearing. Like I told you guys, I wasn't able to replace the wheel bearing because of the nut. I don't have a socket big enough, and I didn't have enough time to run an AutoZone. Kind of on a time crunch right now. So once I replace that, the suspension and the drive will feel so much better. But even just with these coilovers, it already feels 100 times better. It feels so much stiffer, so much more sturdy. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new. Stay tuned for all the incoming videos, guys. Got a lot of content coming for the VQ Swap 40. Swap is coming together slowly, so stay tuned. I'm super excited for that. I'm sure you guys are too. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.